Welcome to Enterprise Outsourcing, innovative, secure global technology. We offer all our clients the benefit of Client Zone and the self-service portal it includes. Start your Client Zone experience with our sign-up and login process. Step 1. Follow the link to the Client Zone portal, www.enterprisepassword.com. Please note that you cannot sign up if you do not know your current password. If you are facing password issues, please contact us on support@enterpriseoutsourcing.com. Step 2. Enter your username and private password that is linked to your corporate email account. Step 3. Once you are logged in, click on the Click Here button to finalize your enrollment. Step 4. Choose one of the security questions in the drop-down menu and answer the chosen question in the designated field, or create your own security question in the fields below. Step 5. Click on the Next button to proceed to the next steps. Step 6. Congratulations! You have now completed the enrollment. From here you can view your profile or change your password by clicking on one of the tabs in the top left corner. To receive additional assistance, please visit Client Zone on our website www.enterpriseoutsourcing.com or send us an email on support@enterpriseoutsourcing.com or visit us on social media.